Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be comparing the two most popular subscription boxes out there yet ever. So we are going to be talking about Boxycharm and we are going to be talking about Ipsy. So let me tell you a little bit about both boxes before we unbox them and compare them. We have Ipsy, which is a $25 subscription box that it comes with 5 full-size products, always retail over $120. And then we have Boxycharm, which is $21 a month, and it has between 4 and 5 full-size products, and the retail price for those products are over $100. Let's open first Ipsy and let's see what is in there. Hopefully I can make a full makeup look today with these two boxes and let you know what I think about these boxes. Ipsy has this message in their box that it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." Very nice message. And here are the products, or at least the information of the products that we're getting. And the first product that is in here, it says IPSY by Petra Glow Mist. So it's basically like this, you know, something like this. So here's the one by IPSY, and you can see the oil inside it. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but you can see the oil. And I really like this packaging. It's very pretty. I really like it, but I'm definitely gonna be passing this on to somebody else because I already using like 3 different mitts, so I'm not gonna open this one. And that is worth $15. So let's move on with the next item. Let's see what is in here. We have an eCosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretchy Volumizing Mascara, which is this one right here. And this is worth $24. So this is a mascara. I'm definitely gonna be looking at it because I know, you guys know, I don't really buy mascara. So this is the mascara and it has this funny shape. And this is the one. We're gonna be definitely using this today for our look. We have a Naked Cosmetics 4 pigment set, which I don't see here. Here it is. This is worth $40, so this is a set of pigments. This is definitely worth it. $40, I don't know, but it's definitely very nice and very cute. Packaging and everything, it looks amazing. I'm gonna be passing this on too. I'm actually going to put a big giveaway for all of you very soon with a couple of these products too. The next item that I see here is this Water Glow by Touching Salt. This is a brand that has been coming up a lot of in Ipsy. This is a pretty filtered waterful glow cream. This is $38 and it says, after applying your toner, serums and other skincare products, massage a dime size amount into your skin and tap to help to reabsorb. So I love the packaging. Let's talk about the packaging. It is shiny and beautiful and like, wow, this is amazing. It has expiration date of 2022. It says that it was made this year, so I'm sorry, 2022. Yeah, it was made this year, so it has a good 3 years. That's amazing, but that's obviously before you open it. When after you open it, how long is after you open it? It doesn't say anything after you open it, but be conscious. Obviously, if your product starts smelling weird or look bad, or you've been having it for over a year and you barely use it, that means that you don't like it, or you had too many products, or something is going on. But you should be done with a moisturizer this size by a year or so. So this is how this one looks like, and I'm a sucker for moisturizer, so I know I'm gonna be using this. And it smells really good, and it's this pink color. I'm definitely gonna be using this before my makeup today. And then next product, oh my god, Huda Beauty. This is a very high-end product. This is a 3D highlighter palette in pink sand. It's valued $45. So this is a very good product. Let me look at it because I am super excited. This will be my first product from this brand. Okay, so this is how the product looks like, and it wasn't easy to get it out of there. Oh my god, this is the film that it has. So cute with this beautiful lady. We all know her. And this is the palette. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The first one, it says spread, apply, Capri, which is this one in the top over here. I put my nail in it. As a base to smooth the skin and reflecting pearls. Then step 2, set with the Santorini. From the cheeks to temple, the set and bring the pop. Then this basically, they tell you to do all these things. Then third, apply a Soros under the cheekbones to add dimension to the shape, and then the flush. So basically, this is basically 3 highlighters over here. This, and this is a blush. So let's swatch them. This is super creamy. Oh my god. And this is another highlight. This is the 3rd highlight, which is super beautiful. And then we have the blush. These colors are amazing. I love them. All right, so let's see how much is this box. This was $15 for the IPSY. Then the E Cosmetics mascara was $24. Then we have the Naked Cosmetics was $40. And then we have the Touching Soul Moisturizer was $38. Then we have the Huda Beauty, which was $45. And that's give you the total of $162. That's amazing. I mean, I pay only $25 for all these products, and this is crazy. I mean, like, to be honest with you, 100% honest with you, I will definitely buy this. I will definitely buy this. I will definitely buy something that I know I like. I will definitely buy this. I mean, maybe even this. I wouldn't buy it by myself if they wouldn't have sent that to me. But I definitely, these 3 items, I would definitely give it a try. I mean, I love these kind of palettes. And I actually was thinking of getting this specific mascara, be funny or not. So this is definitely a high value box for me. So I love this box. The only product that I don't gonna use and I'm gonna put it in a giveaway is this Naked. Not because I don't think it's a good product. I actually think it's amazing. I like how it looks like and everything. But I just definitely don't use pigments on my makeup. So I'm not gonna I'll keep that one. Now let's move up with Boxycharm. And now we have Boxycharm here, and we have this pamphlet that it says everything that we have. It says "You Nature," basically. So the first item that I see here is these brushes by the brand Ipsy. I think that's how you pronounce it. Brushes include 240 large eye blending, perfection crease, and foundation. So there are 3 brushes in here. Oh, I got scared. I was like, what is my 3rd brush? So this is how the brushes looks like. I definitely don't use this as a foundation brush. I don't like that, but I can use it for putting a mask or something. Very good. This is the blending, which is very pretty and fluffy, and this is for the crease. Kind of use it as a packing, like I can pack my makeup or my eye makeup like that. So this is a pretty brushes, and I like the handles. I love the color. Look. I love these colors, so they're very pretty. I really like it. And they have this rose gold here, which is very pretty. I love it. So let's see how much was that. This is a $30, so $10 for each brush. Not too bad, not too bad. Next product is by the brand Elemis. If I'm not saying it wrong, this is a viral veggie mask, and this is worth $35. So this is definitely something that we're gonna be using. I love fake products, kill me. I love them. So we have another product here that it says cleansing. This is wipes, spa water. What is this? Yeah, this is a waterproof makeup removals. I don't use makeup removals for removing my makeup. I think that's too harsh for my skin, so I definitely don't use them as that. But I definitely use them here. I have this right now. I use them to remove the swipes of makeup from my arm, so this is gonna become handy. I don't know, I mean, that's nice anyways. Those are worth $17, a little bit overpriced. Okay, let's move on. The next product that I see here is by the brand Tarte, and I don't know which one is this one, but I don't have good experience with Tarte lipsticks. So this is a glitter lip paint, so let's see how it looks like. This is a $20 worth. I mean, it's a little expensive, but there you go. This is what it is. Some people I saw that it got something different. I wish I got something different, because definitely this might not be my buy at all. So I'm gonna leave it on the side for a giveaway also. I'm not gonna be using it. So that's 2 products that I have already for the giveaway. I'm gonna put it on the side. And the following item is this. This is the Bottom London Natural Goodness eyeshadow palette, and it's worth $32. And let me tell you, this component is gorgeous. I love it, and the colors are pretty. Actually, they are very pretty. Like, look at that blue. Oh my god, those colors are beautiful. I definitely can see myself using these 4 here. These 2 maybe not too much, but these 4 are beautiful. They're missing maybe a transition color, but if you like bold makeup, definitely you can use this dark brown for transitioning. But this is beautiful, and it's vegan, it's cruelty free. Well, vegan, I don't know, but it says cruelty free. It says the last 6 months, a little short for my liking, but I mean, I guess should be fine. So this is a cool one. I like how it looks like a lot. It's very pretty and very not too compact, but at the same time it is, so I like it. So let's see how much is worth it. This is a $35 for the Elements, $32 for the eyeshadow Butter London, $30 for the brushes. Lucy Tarte is $20 for the lipstick. The cleansing water cloths are $17, and that's $134. So you tell me which one has more value. For me, definitely the one who has more value, it's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I already forgot the name, I don't know why. For the try on of this video, I'm not gonna use all the products, but I'm gonna put it down below in the description box what I think about the products after I use them. Which, example, this is gonna be one that I'm gonna be using after I finish my makeup today and I wash my face and everything. I'm gonna be using this tonight, but definitely I will let you know down in the description. But for now, we're going to be using this Touching Soap Pretty Fitter Water Glow Cream as a basically prep our face before the makeup today. And this was in the Ipsy, yeah, in Ipsy. I like the smell, and it feels like it absorbs into my skin slightly, not like 100%, but it feels good. First impression with skincare is very hard. You have to use it for a little bit. But I kill for the packaging, I love it. So I'm gonna be using this bad boy a lot. Alright, so let's start with the palette and this brush that is for the eyes. So let's start with this color, Tempress. And now let's grab that color and pray for my soul. Ooh. A very pigmented color. I kinda like it though. Very pigmented. Beautiful, beautiful brown. I love it. It's kind of like out there, but it's very pretty. So now let's put this color here, the green one, and this one here. So I'm gonna put the green one all over the lid, and I'm gonna try with Diva, which is the more gold color, in the highlight points of my eyes, basically here and here, where I want to do highlight. But the actual color that I'm going to put all over my lid is going to be Star, so it's going to be this one. And I'm going to be using this brush that is Profession Crease, and I'm just going to use it to pat the color in there. Now I'm doing a line, basically lining the eye a little bit with the dark brown color. Now I'm gonna grab that brown color and I'm gonna put it down in my lower lash too, maybe on the middle way, not too much. So now let's add this color Diva. We're gonna add it to the inner corner of the eye. Ooh, it's very pigmented though. So I'm gonna only add it there. And I'm gonna grab the other color, Enchantress, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna get that one and put it under my eyebrow. Yeah, this is more like an eyebrow color, or maybe inner corner too. The one that I put in the inner corner is too crazy for inner corner. Diva is too kind of like, I'm gonna add Enchanted in top of it. I don't like Diva for that area. I don't know what I was thinking, but I kind of like fits it a little bit. Now let's use the Eat. This is the mascara, and this was in the Ipsy bag, so I'm gonna be adding this. Definitely loving it. I really like this makeup look. It's coming out very nice. A little dark out there for me, but I still like it. I love it. So let's move on with the Huda. And this is also again from Ipsy. And whoo, this looks so nice. So let me add, I'm gonna be using this one and this one. So one of them is gonna be for my highlight and the other one is gonna be for my blush. So let's grab first the blush and then we will do the highlight. This is so shimmery. This is a blush. Not really. I'm gonna add it to the other one. I don't like this as a blush. This is a highlight. This is not a blush. So I'm gonna add it there and put a blush on top of it. I'm adding my Makeup Forever blush. This is basically my blush. And now I'm gonna be getting the Azores from the palette. And let's see, a little chunky for my liking it. Let me see. Do you see it? I don't know, it's right there. I like it. Let me add a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my lips. I like it. It's very gold, very beautiful. I love it. The lips I'm going to be using, I'm not going to be using the product that it came in Boxycharm. I'm going to be using my Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to be using this from Charlotte Tilbury too, JK Magic from the new collection. So let's set the face with my Morphe setting powder, setting spray. Alright guys, this is how my makeup look ended looking like, and if I'm going to be honest with you, I need more colors in my eyeshadow palette. So this is what's kind of like two color thing. I normally use 2 or 3 or 4 colors, not many, but at the same time I needed another color to add a transition. But everything else looks very pretty, very fine. I love everything. I really like the hydration of this product. This is really nice. I definitely like the brushes, and I like other products that I use. I like this. I like everything basically. Everything looks very nice. Some of the products I didn't use them today because I am not interested in keeping them, so I'm gonna leave them brand new right there for somebody else. Maybe I'm gonna again create a big giveaway for all of you. Again, if you have to make a decision between those boxes, I will definitely keep Ipsy. I really like the concept of Ipsy, of asking you directly what you like and what you don't like. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative for all of you, and if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribe down below. It's for free and it means the world to me. I would highly appreciate it. It will help me a lot if you subscribe, like, and comment in this video which product you like. What do you think about Ipsy? What do you think about Boxycharm? And also here are a couple of videos that I think you should watch after this one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my